Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 75. If we start with this box, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 9, 5, 9. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 6. 2 here, so 5, 6. 6 here, so 2, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 6, and 7. We've got 6 and 7 here, so this is our 1. 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 9 covering these two boxes, so our 9 must be here. I don't see any other help. So 5, 7, 5, 7. For this column, we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 6. No help here. 2, 3, 6. We've got a 2 here, so 3, 6, and a 3 here, so 2, 6. For this top row, we're also missing 2, 3, and 6. We've got a 2 here and a 3 here. So that makes this our 6. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. That 2 makes this our 6, 3. Oh, we've already made a mistake. We've got 2 3s here. And that cannot be right. All right. Please leave a comment down below if you saw where I made a mistake. But that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow for our next puzzle.